Usually students have problem with this bad debt thing. It confuses them that what entry will be passed and how. So there is no need to mug it up, learn it up. It is just to be understood. Now, money which is not realized from our business, which has gone bad, okay, from debtors, is actually the bad debt because it is a loss to our business, and loss is a nominal account. So the nominal account always work in an opposite manner, and this loss is from a debtor. Entry will be bad debt account debit to debtor personal account. Personal account means debtor's name we have to write and account. That's it. Now see how you'll remember this. It is a loss. Okay. Loss is nominal account. Any bad debt is a loss to a business. Okay. Well, a business is having a loss, it should cry. But nominal account, they do just the opposite. So loss account will be dancing. My bad debt account will be dancing. It will be on the debit side. And from whom did we get this bad debt? From the debtor account. So debtor personal account will be on the credit side. Now suppose in next case we get some partial money from this debtor. Okay, like suppose 100 rupees he had to pay us. 100 out of 100 he paid 50 rupees to us. So we have actually got some money. Cash is there. Cash is an asset account. It will be dancing. It is on the debit side. Okay. Bad debt account, again this is the money which we have not received. Again it is a loss, that is that 50 rupees. And debtor's personal account was 100 rupees full because this is what debtor owed to us. He had to pay to us 100 rupees. So 50 what we have received, 50 what went bad, and 100 is what he was supposed to pay to us. Okay. Third case, business received some money from that previous bad debt. That means this 50 which went bad, now this has been recovered. Now this is a gain or profit for the business because now you expected that this has gone bad, but suddenly you got that money. So it is a gain for the business. We have received some cash, or the money is deposited in our bank account, which is our asset account, which is dancing because it has walked in the party. So it is on the debit side. From where we got this money? From the bad debt recovered account. Because we wrote that full amount as bad debt. Now it is being recovered. It will not go to debtor's personal account because we have already closed that account. We have assumed that debtor went bad and we have closed his account. So this whole money will be from the bad debt recovered account. So I take an example. I say Mohan, who owed rupees 10,000, became insolvent. So bad debt account 10,000 full because he went insolvent. So it's a loss for us. From where we got this loss? From the Mohan. Mohan was a debtor. So the second case comes which says Sam paid 60 paisa in a rupee as a full and final settlement of his money, that is 10,000 that he owed to the business. He was declared insolvent. Rupee has 100 paisa. Okay, and 60 paisa means 60% of a rupee. We got 60 paisa out of 100 paisa. So it is 60%. Okay. So now cash what we have received is 10,000 into 60%, which is equal to 6,000. So we have received 6,000 cash. 4,000 is still bad. From where these two things? From Sam account. See, debtor's personal account. Sam is our debtor who owed 10,000 to us. So it is 10,000 from Sam account. Okay. Now next example is received cash rupees 2,000 for a bad debt written off last year. This is again our income, 2,000, because we assume that it is a bad debt. We are not going to recover from it. So this is our income. Cash has walked in, We have received cash. Cash is an asset. Walked in the party. It is dancing. Debit to bad debt recovered account. From where we got this cash? From bad debt recovered account. Again, bad debt recovered account is our profit, is our gain. It should be dancing, but no, it's a crazy account. It's a nominal account. It will be on the credit side. Another confusing topic is discounts. Now, usually there are two types of discounts. One is trade discount, another one is cash discount. Now, trade discount is sales value minus the discount. It is always given on the sales value, market value of the product. Okay, not on the cost price, on the sale price. For purchaser, the net value entered in purchase book. He is not going to mention any sales price. He will just mention in his purchase book the amount that he has paid after the discount. Next is the cash discount. Cash discount is always given on the net value of sales or purchases. This means this is after the trade discount is given, on the value coming after the deduction of trade discount. Now suppose if amount is paid within specified time. Remember, cash discount is always on the paid cash, not on credit. Alright, very, very important. But trade discount, no matter you're buying it on credit or on cash, trade discount you will get, but not the cash discount. Alright. Now, if amount is paid within a specified time, purchases is done and the purchaser says, the buyer says, okay, I'll pay you within 1 week. In that case, cash discount will be given to him. But if there is no specified time given by him, he says, okay, sell me this, I want to buy it, but I don't know when I will pay to you. I am buying it on credit. In that case, no cash discount will be given. Now, in every transaction, you need to see if the word specified time is mentioned or not. Okay, let's take an example. Sold goods for rupees 20,000, allowed trade discount of 10% and cash discount of 10%. Now, I'll take two cases in this. Case 1 is received half the amount by cash and balance half by check within a specified time. Now see, in this statement they have mentioned specified time. Now let's see the solution. First thing first is you need to calculate the trade discount because it is given on the sales. So my sales are 20,000. I have sold on 20,000, 20,000. My trade discount is 10%. Here, see, 10% trade discount. So 10% of 20,000 is 2,000. This is my net sales. Okay. On this, I will decide how much is made in cash, how much is made on credit. And then cash discount will be given on the cash payment. In first case, it says received half the amount by cash and balance half by check within specified time. That means both the cash and the check bank, both are done within specified time. That means he is eligible for full cash discount on the full value. Okay, cash discount is 10% of 18,000, which is 1,800. So the net value of sales will be 16,200. Now how much is the net value of the sales? 16,200. After giving trade discount, after giving cash discount, it is 16,200. Half of this is paid by check, half of this is paid by cash. That means 8,100 is cash, 8,100 will go to the bank account. Both are my assets. They have walked in, they are happy, they are dancing. Debit. Cash account debit, bank account debit, 8,100, 8,100. Total will be 16,200. Discount that we have given is 1,800. Always remember, discount allowed here is only we are mentioning about the cash discount, not the trade discount. Trade discount is automatically covered here. You got my point? See, sales, we are not taking 20,000. We are taking 18,000. That is, this one is actually after trade discount. Always sales here will be taken after the trade discount. Net value of the sales. Okay. Now, case 2 says half of the amount was received by check within specified time. This is very clear. That means half is made by cash, by bank, by check, but half is on credit. So here when we took 18,000, that is trade discount, we had to give this. So 18,000 is my net value of sales. 1,000 is the net value of sales after trade discount. We have to divide it into two parts. Half of it is 9,000, half of it is 9,000. This half debtor will remain as 9,000. But on cash, which he has willing to pay us by check, we will give him 10% cash discount on this 9,000. Okay, so it will be 900. Now after my cash discount, the net value will be 9,000 minus 900, which is 8,100. Now how to make the journal entries? Here no discount, so it will be 9,000. My debtor will be 9,000, that's sure. My cash will be 8,100, that is also for sure. My total sales was 18,000 from here. 18,000. Okay, so cash account is coming, debtor is also increasing. Cash is 8,100, debtor is 9,000. Discount I have given only 900. Okay, and my total sales is 18,000.